Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. It's apple season, and there's no better way to celebrate apples than with this great, simple apple strudel. It is so easy and quick, great with a warm cup of coffee. It's actually my treat for Sunday mornings or afternoon. I love it. Let me show you how easy it is. We're gonna use a puff pastry for this recipe. It's a shortcut, but you can taste the difference really. It is so good. You're gonna need 3 apples, any kind really. I like to use gala apples, but the choice is yours. You can use Granny Smith, whatever apples you like. You're gonna cut into small cubes. Finish the whole amount and then you're gonna move into a bowl. Next thing I'm gonna chop up roughly half a cup of walnuts. Add on top of the apples. Next, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. And from this point, you can flavor the way you like. I'm gonna add some bourbon to add some extra special flavor. You can skip this step, but I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon. Then I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And I love apples and bourbon, but if you don't like to use bourbon, you can use vanilla extract or leave it out. It doesn't really matter. You're gonna mix everything very well. And the filling is literally ready. I'm gonna set it aside and work on the puff pastry. And these are 2 square sheets of puff pastry, 1 whole package, about 1 pound. I took out of the freezer like an hour ago. You don't want it to be too soft, soft enough to be able to work with, but not too soft. I'll be able to fit both sheets on 1 pan, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut 1/2-inch strips or 1 centimeter on an angle, just like so. When the dough is not so soft, it'll cut much easier, cleaner cuts, and it'll puff up much nicer in the oven. Same thing on the other side, cut on an angle, and I'm leaving the middle, of course, for the filling. I'm gonna move it closer so you can see how I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna fill it with a very generous amount of the apple filling, because it's gonna shrink a lot in the oven. So I pile it on just like so. Close just like making a braid. Just gently. And I'm gonna show you a different angle in a minute. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so and follow me on social media. I post different things on my other social media, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. The links are gonna be in the description box below. I'm gonna show you another one. This is how you're gonna do it. Fill it very well with the filling. Pile it on there. And I usually leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below as well, so check it out. I preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna give it a quick egg wash. 1 egg, I mixed it in with 1 tablespoon of water. I'm gonna brush the top of the pastry very well. Sprinkle some vanilla sugar and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. 15 minutes is gonna be just right. 20 is gonna be golden and beautiful. Watch it, because every oven is different. I'm gonna make some heavy whipped cream alongside the apple strudel. I'm gonna add some vanilla and a touch of sugar, about 1 tablespoon. I'll leave the amounts in the description. I'm gonna whip it until fluffy. You can serve with ice cream if you prefer. 15 to 20 minutes later, the smell is heavenly. They're out of the oven, they smell amazing, and they're golden and crispy. I'm gonna serve with some heavy whipping cream, some berries and some clementine and coffee. This is a treat for the whole family. We love it. I hope you give it a try soon. Let me know what you think, or leave me any comment in the comments box below. Until next time, bon appétit!